Hi everyone, I'm Courtney from the Glow Recipe team, and today I'm going to be sharing a few tips and tricks on how to remove your eye makeup properly. So to start, make sure you're using products, especially if you wear contact lenses like I do, that have been ophthalmologist tested and that are safe for sensitive eyes. I in particular, in addition to wearing contact lenses, also have dry eyes, so they're a lot more prone to irritation and sensitivity. To start removing my makeup, I always do a double cleanse at night. So I start with a cleansing balm and then I follow with a water-based cleanser. In this case, it's a foaming one. And this is really great for removing eye makeup because most makeup is oil-based. And we know from like a chemistry perspective that oil breaks down oil really well. So you go in with an oil-based cleanser, break all that makeup down, and then we'll follow by washing it away with something that's nice and foamy. So let's get started. I gotta pull my hair back. First step when I double cleanse is always, like I said, my oil-based cleanser. So today that is going to be the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I'm gonna take a pretty generous scoop. I put on a full face of makeup today. And then apply kind of all over my face, but especially focus on where I'm wearing the most makeup. Oh, there it goes. So one tip that I've learned when removing eye makeup, especially if you need to see what you're doing. I mean, first of all, look at how fast that just dissolves everything. One tip that I've picked up is to remove makeup from one eye at a time. That way you can make sure that everything has been broken down, especially if you're wearing a few layers or coats of mascara and eyeliner. So just massage that in gently. Don't forget the eyebrows too. And this cleansing balm, even though it has enzymes in it, it's been tested to be safe to use around the eye area, which is great. While we're at it, we can work on the rest of the face. So now that we did our first cleanse, I'm gonna follow with foaming cleanser. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And this cleanser actually is formulated to remove makeup too. So together they work really well to make sure that your skin is super clean. Again, when you're washing around the eye area, it's important to be really gentle. I usually just use one finger and I go in a circular motion. You know that you're rubbing too hard around your eyes when your contact lenses kind of fold up and fall out, so you want to avoid doing that for sure. One other tip that's helpful when you're removing waterproof or stubborn eye makeup is to take a little bit of your oil-based cleanser. In this case, it's the cleansing balm on a Q-tip, and gently rub it into your lash line. If you have any stubborn mascara or even waterproof eyeliner, this is a really great and gentle way to get all of it off. See, there's just a little bit on the Q-tip here, and this means that you're getting every last bit off of your eyes. So I'm just going to emulsify that with water and rinse it away. Thanks so much for watching. Those were our tips for how to remove your eye makeup. As you can see, mine is totally gone. And now my skin is nice and clean. If you have any tips that you want to share on how you like to remove your eye makeup, make sure you leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Glow Recipe YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.